A Moroccan salad and sit down and have lunch. And maybe our bites. She only has one more month. Measured a can. A can is about 1.5. A can is about 1.5. So I'm going to do one. This is my almond milk that I made. Level for sweet, but the rest of it is more spices. The turmeric. So it sticks together. Put some ground ginger. You don't want to see it, but this is all going to get ground. It has health benefits. Any skin on anything. The skin of a carrot.
Is that organic?
And this is organic. And that costs a quarter. Doesn't take much. Over ice?
Why not?
You don't have to cook it. And honestly, things that you cook kind of take away some nutrient, right? So come over here. Anyway, get that started. And that's going to be 2 cups vegetable broth to 1 cup quinoa. Post this. So as I cook, like we had asparagus this week, you know, leaves that weren't bad, but I didn't want to eat, like, you know, the parts of the pepper, parts of parsley and cilantro. I save it all week, and then on Sundays for quinoa, for rice maybe, because it's oh no. So this goes way down. They're much like a date, but
I would eat lard anyway.
I know. Did that just get because I had them soaking overnight? I think it's just routine. This is 4, so I'm putting in an extra one. Really bad at measure.
But they are still kind of processed.
Yeah, it's hard. That oats are for heart, energy, protein.
I have chia.
Yeah, really. So just take a little bit and see if it rolls. How are you, Emmy? Good. You look beautiful. Yeah, perfect. Okay. This one is a little bit better. How's that? Yeah, it's mixed because it doesn't mix if you just stir it. It has to be really. Oh, okay. Because that's another. Because you need to increase. That's from Florida. It is. Because I use a lot of coconut oil. And normally I would soften this up. I made a comment to her that it's so expensive. I always, yeah. Out of tablespoons. Another. Melted. Because it's hot. Get some more. This also, when you cut, all the nutrients come out. Julianne, but I don't have. Hello, Jeanette. I don't even.
5 items for $300. Is that good?
5 items for $300. Here's where I need some of the. Oh, I should have started my bra. I was going to show you how I do my bra. So. Just bought this yesterday, so One and a half days.
That's your broth.
Right, now if you're going to freeze it,
Lie down. Away from the table. Luna, away. Lie down.